All right, here in downtown Dunn, CSX L607-09 with ET44AH leading the way, making his way to Rocky Mount, coming out of Wilmington as we lean back and get him. Here we go.
CSX L607-09, engine 3453 northbound, number 2 track, got a clear signal and done, L607 now.
CSX, dispatcher L607-09, over.
Just L607-09, answer, over.
80 feet, just a touch. It's probably too late to stop and get you some grub somewhere, but if you're 80 feet a touch, you're going to get a few minutes delay in Alaska. They're trying to fix a bad order car that's there. You're not going to pick it up, but they need both tracks. So like I said, drag your feet just a little bit. You'll be about 45 minutes there, Alaska.
Alright, gotcha. Correct. Slow out to the anchor and slow it on down some.
Yeah, just a touch. I just didn't want you to get in a spot where you won't be able to pull away from or something like that. So about 45 minutes from now,